Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. Doesn't whipped body cream sound amazing? Well, pomegranate and shea butter is divine.
I have really been enjoying this whipped body cream because it's very airy and light, but it does the heavy lifting of giving my skin moisture. And because of work, I'm constantly washing my hands. You can see how it's really absorbing into my terribly dry fingers. It doesn't take a lot. I use about a dime size, and this wet body cream helps bring shine and moisture to my legs. A fun fact about pomegranate seeds, they contain punicic acid, and that helps keep your skin smooth and moisturized. To me, it has a very soft scent, so it's a real total body cream for me, and my elbows and arms just soak it up perfectly.
I love it. It makes me feel silky and smooth, but that's just my point of view.